Good morning, my name is Bryan Pekarek with Orthman Manufacturing. I'm standing here with Tim Short from Muddy River Agriculture. We just got done doing a demo with the Orthman 5TT Track Tillr with O'Connor's, the Case IH dealer down here. What we want to do is kind of give you a lowdown of what this machine is designed to do. It's designed to alleviate tracks that have been caused from irrigation, such as center pivot and or tram lines. So as we look at this machine, of some of the functions of the purpose for it is, we start up here with the guide wheels. That's essentially what is used to keep this unit going through the track that has been created. Next, we move back to the slotted discs. That is what actually breaks down the compaction that has been caused from the weight of the pivot or the weight of the tram going through. After we have done that, we will now move back to the packer. What that is going to do is it's going to pack the additional dirt that you have just brought in from the sidewalls. We move back to the gangs, the discs. What that will do, we can set the aggressiveness of that to see how much dirt we need to come back in and fill that track. Then the final step is having the rolling baskets back here to level it out, to leave a nice firm and filled in track that any of your irrigation problems would have caused. With that being said, for more information, visit orthman.com or please visit Muddy River down here in Australia.